Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. It is also August 2nd. Hope you guys have some great upcoming plans. We do got some of the big news this week. We had quite a few of these this week with the FOMC, and we got the jobs numbers, and today happens to be the big jobs numbers day, and that is the Bureau of Labor Statistics non-farm payrolls for the month of July. So we had a revision of approximately, I think it was last 2 months downwards of 41,000 jobs that were removed from that. So last month, June, was actually revised about 10,000 lower. So we had 193 total for the month of June. Forecast was calling for about 163, and we came in pretty much in line at 164,000 for the month of July. So still a decent number. We're getting some good job numbers here. As you can see, unemployment were basically remained at 3.7. A lot of people thought we would have dipped down a little bit, but we actually had more people jumping into the job market, which is why the unemployment rate remained the same. So compared to people going into the market and people losing jobs, it basically remained the same here. Our average hourly earnings, so we got for the month of July, we had 3.2, I'm sorry, 2.2, excuse me, 0.2% in June, and forecasters calling for the same in July, but however, it did improve a little bit to 0.3% for July here. We also got consumer sentiment for July. So the last reporting came in at 98.4. Figure might be slightly a tick higher, but it remained the same at 98.4 in July. Factory orders for the month of June, it dipped, contracted by 1.3%. However, in June, forecast calling for 0.8%, and it came in at 0.6%. So they improved a little bit in June, which is obviously a good sign. So let's look at the headline news. Stock market is down, it's taking quite a bit of a beating. It's kind of following the pattern from yesterday, even though we do got some earnings reports. But the big headline news was more tariffs were announced. So President Trump announced that he will be adding an additional 10% tariffs on the remaining $300 billion of Chinese goods starting September 1st. So as soon as he made that comment, again, they're concerned about tensions developing between the two nations in the negotiations, and of course, this could be a spark to that. So, anyways, the markets are reacting negatively to it. We had, the dollar was way down yesterday, closing down way in the negative hole yesterday, and continuing that direction today as well. Here's where we are. We had a nice rebound in bonds, however. We touched or actually above this, the ceiling of resistance and pulled back a little bit. Today we started at that ceiling resistance, even kind of tried breaking above it. Right now we're right about 2 basis points higher than where we were yesterday. So right now we're about plus 2% right now. I'm sorry, plus 2 points right now, which is basically no change in pricing yet. So if lenders did not price in for the better pricing yesterday, they will today. So it depends on the lender. So some lenders gave better pricing yesterday due to the market change in the improvement. Some may have waited till today, and those who waited till today will see better rates. So compared to yesterday morning, yes, rates are better than what we saw yesterday morning. Here's the yields. Yields broke through both those, the 25 and its Fibonacci, and it's on the way down to another level here. And the other level is just underneath this 180. It's like 179, 1.79, 1.78 range. So that's the next level of support. So we got a little bit of room down here. And however, like here, we're kind of right up at the ceiling here. So it's kind of hard to see which way it's going to go, but of course it's got room going upwards too, so if it rebounds a little bit. So we just got to be a little careful. As you can see, the stochastic, we're going over oversold position here, and this is overbought position, so this could quickly change, come back into these two medians where it should be the normal range here. So that's pretty much about it. Mortgage rates compared to yesterday morning, I would say it's better, but depending on the close, on the lender, that's where you're going to see the difference. Some lenders priced in for the better yesterday. Some waited till today to give that better pricing. All right, so if you guys are looking to buy or refinance, please reach out. I am a loan officer. Best way to reach me is direct message. Phone calls, I get a little tied up. So if you're going to call, make sure to leave a message as to I'm not going to know how to reach you back if you don't leave a message. But my company, CMG Financial, services all 50 states. We carry all the loans out there from jumbo to conventional, FHA, VA, USDA. We also have a couple that are specifically only for CMG Financial, which is all-in-one loan. Fantastic loan for those who are cash flow and want to pay off the mortgage sooner, have flexibility, more control over the mortgage, and pay out, and be able to save themselves hundreds of thousands of dollars in terms of interest payments. And those want down payment assistance, we got the Home Funded program, another great program that helps out a lot of people, from first-time home buyers to people who went through natural disasters, to helping those, setting this up through a wedding registry to help people to get into a home, as well as those who went through divorces where one spouse keeps the house, the other one has to now look for another property. We have niche loans. We have loans specific for investors, real estate investors. We have bank statement loans, which are especially important for those who are self-employed borrowers. And we also got loans for foreign nationals. If any of these reach, if you feel any of these, go ahead and again direct message me, and I'd love to be able to see how we can help you guys out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll try to catch you on Monday. I almost forgot to mention this. I'm going to be out of town. I will be very limited on my internet use, so I don't know if I will be able to get these posted. So I will do my best to get these out to you, but I'll be in an area where I'll have limited use in terms of internet. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to get these out for next maybe 10 days. I'll be gone until the 13th of August. So it's all next week and Monday and Tuesday the following week. All right, folks, you guys have a great time. And again, I'll try to get these out as much as I can. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys on the 14th. You guys have a great enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.